Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to add subtitles and captions to a video in the script. Now if you're using the script for some time you will know how to do this, but as you can see right here is the script, and what we want to do is we want to first go back to projects, and as you can see this is what is the landing page when you just started with the script. And what you want to do is you want to go to the new project here, and from the new project you need to obviously name the project. This will be sample 1 for me, and then I can go and choose a file to transcribe. Now if I go here, I'll choose just a file to transcribe that I already have a tutorial video here that I can just go and I can click on it. So for example right here we can click on this. This will add a file automatically, and as you can see right here I can put the speaker name. So I can put a speaker name. If I have a speaker name, let's say a speaker name is John, I can put John as a speaker. I can put 1 speaker or 2 speakers. So make sure to know that, and then click done. Now once you click done, as you can see right here, this is basically going to be the sample. Right here you can shorten word gaps, remove filler words if you want, and here you can write script, or you have script tools. You can write, you can overdub, you can correct, and all that good stuff. But first make sure that this is uploaded. Once this is uploaded, as you can see it's only on 10% right now, then you'll be able to go and add the subtitles. As you can see, after some time I right now have subtitles right here. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. I can go here and I can basically show you how that looks like. So this is on the left side. So what I can do is I can insert this if I want, and I can insert this file into script, or I can insert file, or I can insert scene, markers, pretty much anything right here. Captions as well right here. I can add captions, and this will be captions. Then on the right side I can adjust the style of it. So I have classic style, text, opacity, captions, freeform, speaker, composition name, I can change that as well. Obviously animation and all the good stuff, as you can see. So let's play, go for but yeah, that's pretty much. So as you can see, this is where you see the captions, but we can obviously increase this to 120, and this will increase right here. So obviously we'll need to go and full screen this in order to see this correctly. And in order to see this, you can also change the font and the layout and everything. You have opacity, you have the style, you have shadows, stuff like that. But that's pretty much how you can add captions in the script. If you have any questions or maybe comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.